Hey everyone, it's me again. Today I wanted to make a quick video regarding the recent changes that Microsoft made on the Google Cloud, the Google account to how to connect, manage Google Play Store with Microsoft Intune. So I have two articles open on my screen. One is the official Microsoft article here. You can see that to connect your Intune account to your managed Google Play account. So the question is, why do you need that? So the Intune does not work without connecting the Google Play account with Microsoft Intune specifically for the Android devices. So if you are planning to onboard the Android devices in Microsoft Intune, whether it's a BYOD or COD, you need to associate the Google Store with your Microsoft Intune subscription or this Intune portal. So let's discuss the prerequisites and then we'll go into the configuration. The one thing here is the Microsoft made a recent change, which is as of August 2024, you can link your Microsoft Entra ID identity account to the Google account, which is amazing. So what I mean by that is before August 2024, it must be an account which is Gmail account and signed up with Google. So it has to be a private account. For example, if I show you my old screenshot, which was connected here, so you can see that it's a bit tiny, but it's at the gmail.com here. Okay, so here you can see that it was connected with my Azure Lab Academy at gmail.com before. So just for to repeat this activity, what I did is I went ahead into Microsoft Intune portal and disconnected, or you can say in other words, unbind, So now I'm not gonna use the Gmail account any longer with for this activity. Okay, so going back to the article here. So as you can see that to manage Intune in all devices with any of the support Android Enterprise management options, you must connect your Microsoft Intune tenant to your managed Google Play account. The good news is, as of 2024 August, you can use your Entra ID based account. So you don't have to create a separate account for your organization, which is Gmail or the other domains. You can use your own domain, which you already have it in place, and the account can exist on Entra ID. So in my case, I am going to pick up one of the accounts. So let's go to my lab here. You can see that under the enrollment. Like I was explaining, I unbinded or disconnected this, so nothing is set up in regards to the managed Google Play. And the account that I'm trying to use today is I will use one of my Entra ID account. The account that I created for this purpose is this one, like Super Admin at Azure Lab Academy, not on Microsoft.com. The only thing that you need to make sure that the account must have the mailbox enabled because the Google will send you the confirmation email after you sign up. So you can receive the email and confirm that the mailbox is active and activate the account. Okay, let's hop in. So let's go back to the Intune portal here, intune.microsoft.gov. Okay, well, let's just go to intune.microsoft.com and then we'll go to devices. And then when you go to Android, and then when you click on enrollment, and then you click on under the Android Enterprise, you click on Manage Google Play, right? And as you can see, that's not set up. So what you can do is to set it up, I think it's 1 second. Manage Google Play. Yeah, there you go. So you have to you have to check this box. I agree, right? And then you have to click on Launch Google to connect now. So it will open up another browser, and then what you can do is you can say that now it says name at the rate company.com. It doesn't say name at google.com, right? So now you can use any. What I would recommend is to have a shared mailbox. So if you are setting up for your company, and if person is no longer in that role, so you don't rely on the credentials, and or if the person is no longer in that role and the mailbox is deprovisioned, or the and the employee is offboarded, it will be very hard battle for you to win against the Google to prove it that this account belongs to your organization. So better create a shared mailbox, have multiple people access to that shared mailbox, so you at least can receive an email. But since it's just my lab, I have nothing crazy going on, so I'll just use the dedicated mailbox, which is superadmin at azurelabacademy.onmicrosoft.com. So I'll go ahead and hit next here. So what it do is, it says looks like superadmin at azurelabacademy.onmicrosoft.com is being managed by Microsoft, which is correct. So you can use your existing work account to set up and sign up to Google Admin Console. So now what is, in other words, saying that, Mister, it's not a Gmail account. You can go ahead and sign up this account, you know, as a Google account. So when you click on that, the second one, see, this is what I was talking about, verification email sent to that. So now you have to verify the account. So if you go to like outlook.office.com, I should have received that email here. So I would verify this email here. Okay, so now it will ask me to sign up. Okay, so I'll go ahead and sign up. For example, Sam, I would say Azure Lab. The company is Azure Lab Academy. This is where you need to put the correct information, because this account will stay with you, you know, for a while, like, and as long as you're using Intune. So I would say like it would be hard for you to change it later. So I would say put the correct name. So for example, it's a shared mailbox account, call it like an Intune Google Play account, right? And your company name. I don't need these emails, so I'll go ahead and hit continue here. And okay, yeah, I don't need anything else here. So I'll go ahead and hit next. It says create a password. So I'll go ahead and create a password here real quick. Oh, it accepts my password. Yeah, perfect. So now I'm almost at the end. So I will go ahead and say that by clicking allow and create account, you're binding with Microsoft Intune to manage Android devices and creating an account on Google Admin Console. Perfect. So when you click on this allow and create account, it will redirect back you to the Intune, and eventually you will see this active. So now it's doing its magic on enterprise.google.com. I'll pause the video so we can keep it short. Okay, it's redirecting me back to Microsoft Intune here, as you can see that. It's redirecting. I would wait. While it's doing its thing, I will go ahead and open up another Intune browser here, and we'll see how does the account look like here. Still not connected. Okay, says try again using a different browser. Okay, so that could be one of the browser thing here. So another thing just wanted to bring it to your attention here is there are certain endpoints, uh, those needs to be allowed in the browser security, and I have a defender for endpoint antivirus that might be blocking this, so which makes sense. So for example, I'm going through this article again. So Due to interaction between Google and Microsoft domain, you might need to adjust your browser settings to complete this process. So make sure that the portal.azure.com, play.google.com, and enterprise.google.com are in the security zone in your browser. So I'll go ahead and check those and we'll give it a one more try. Yep. So what I did is I did not do any additional steps after that. What I did is I just added because I have the antivirus and it was not allowing my website to go in there. I just added these three endpoints into my antivirus and refreshed the page and refreshed this one. And then I was able to see my Google account is set up with my Microsoft Intune. So now at this point, I can go ahead and enroll my Android devices. And now I can keep track of the best thing about the Google store, unlike the Apple APNS certificate, you don't have to worry about the expiration. Once it's set up, it's set up. So now you can go ahead and onboard um, the Android-based devices. Thanks for watching.